Hi, I'm Jessica Garcia. I'm in the program on the environment at the University of Washington, and the title of my presentation is Engaging Communities Through Online Tools for Green Infrastructure. I wanted to start off by thanking my site supervisor, Emma Vowles from Stewardship Partners, for helping me throughout my internship, as well as my faculty advisor, Yin Wang, from the program on the environment, for guiding me through some of the research aspects of my project. For a bit of background, I started my project by looking at ways to manage and treat stormwater runoff. Stormwater runoff picks up pollutants on top of impervious surfaces, then flows into waterways, and without treatment can negatively impact the health of these natural areas. However, one of the management strategies I found was green infrastructure, which is an approach to treat stormwater in an environmentally friendly way by using natural filtration to remove pollutants from water. Once I learned more about green infrastructure, I was interested in the online tools used for the practice. I wanted to look at the community engagement linked with these different tools, and since it's a successful way to bring people together and share different ideas and projects, I thought it would be a good thing to research, which led me to my question: what are the opportunities and challenges of online tools used for green infrastructure, and how can they increase community engagement? I was able to answer this question through my internship with Stewardship Partners by working on their Sound Impacts tool, an online metrics portal for implementers of green infrastructure, and creating a survey that asked users for feedback regarding the layout, metrics, and use of the online portal, as well as through my own literature review, which consisted of researching different types of green infrastructure tools and the challenges and opportunities presented with them. As I analyzed my results and research findings, some opportunities I came across were that, in general, online tools can help strengthen communities by increasing online engagement. These tools can also provide a place to collectively display green infrastructure projects being implemented around the region, and can be improved by having a wider range of metric and project types, as concluded from my survey findings. Some challenges presented dealt with issues of compatibility, where depending on the type of tool being used or the type of green infrastructure work being conducted, can impact the types of users from professionals to the general public. Also, usability and accessibility challenges were present regarding the format of some online tools, where users may not understand how to use said tool due to the interface or jargon associated with it. And for a different form of accessibility, there were also regional barriers that kept people from using certain tools depending on where they live, and which impacted users, which could also impact lower overall use and further decrease community engagement. Some solutions that could combat these challenges I presented could include creating some sort of policy that allows public access to online green infrastructure data, or by creating an overall framework that can be used throughout different online tools for a better understanding and cohesiveness of green infrastructure practices. It's important to address these challenges and opportunities because if community engagement with online tools is improved, it can help bring more communities together and can reach a greater range of working fields dealing with green infrastructure. With climate change on the rise, stormwater will only increase, making it more important to address these engagement issues in an online viewpoint. I would like to once again acknowledge and thank my site supervisor, Emma Vowles, faculty advisor, Yin Wang, Sean, survey participants, friends, family, and the rest of my POE cohort for helping me along my capstone experience. If you have any questions for me, you can reach me at my Twitter handle at JessicaG253, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for attending my presentation.